Freestyle Libre sensor, how to apply on the back of the arm. I will show you in this video in detail how to assemble the Freestyle Libre sensor and how to apply on the skin and what is the mechanism of Freestyle Libre sensor. Please watch the video until the end. This is the sensor and the applicator. This is the sensor pack, as you can see, and this is the applicator. There is same code on the applicator and on the sensor. Before using, compare the code. If that are same, you can use it. Otherwise, do not use that sensor and applicator. And also check the expiry of the sensor and the applicator. Now I will show you how to open the applicator and how to combine the sensor and the applicator. This is the applicator on the left side, as you can see. Now open the applicator by rotating anti-clockwise, as you can see in the video. Open it slowly and gently. As you can see, this is the applicator. Now if you look into the sensor, so this is pegged. Remove the plastic from here or seal from here. As you can see, this is the sensor from inside, as it is visible in this video. Now take the applicator, remove the plastic cover and combine with the sensor. You should take care of one thing here. There are lines on the sensor and also on the applicator. Bring these two signs in a straight line and then push the applicator downside to the sensor. As you can see there, the sign and the sensor, there is a sign. So combine these both in the same straight line and push the applicator downside into the sensor pack. Push it down, as you can see in the video. Now remove the applicator and the sensor will be attached into the applicator. As you can see, this is the sensor pack which is attached to the applicator. That is the sensor, as you can see in this video. There is a needle in the sensor which will go under the skin when applied. Okay viewers, now I will show you how to apply this applicator and sensor on your arm. The only area to use this applicator is the back of your arm. This flesh, you can see this is the plain area. First you have to wash with a swab and with water, and then after drying you have to clean it with the alcohol swab properly. Clean it very well. Clean more area to avoid any infection and any irritation. And as you can see, there is a needle in this sensor. We will apply here and we will see if this causes any pain or no. Honestly, I will tell you if this makes pain or not. So we will hold it here on this area, press it and remove the applicator, and the sensor will be attached to your arm. Let's see it. Honestly, there is no pain, but little bit sensation of the needle is there. The needle is small in size and just only you feel there is a needle, but there is no pain at all. Okay viewers, after applying this sensor to your arm, as you can see, I will explain the sensor, how it works and what is the mechanism actually of this sensor. As you can see, This is the sensor pack and this is the applicator. The sensor actually comes in two parts. The one comes in this sensor pack and one part comes here in this sensor applicator. When you combine this one, okay, so these two parts become together as one device only. When you implement it here, this attach is a one device here or one page here, but this consists of actually two parts. The one is from the sensor and the another part is from the applicator. Now how it works, this contains the needle as you see in the video before. This go inside the tissue and this check the glucose level in the interstitial tissue. Sensor save the data each 15 minutes intervals, and when you scan with the reader, so this give you the same glucose reading at the same time, plus give you the information about the previous 8 hours trending chart, whether your glucose level is going up or down, whether it is raising or going down. And you can see in this booklet here, there's a sign with the reader which I will show you now. This give you the indication whether your blood glucose level is raising every 2 minutes, or whether it's going down every minute or every 2 minutes. For more detail, please check the booklet available with the Freestyle Libre. As I told you before, when you keep this applicator here and you install it here, you will feel little bit pricking sensation but not painful, and this is attached here into this area, so you can take shower with it. As I told you, this comes with a waterproof patch here down. As you can see, this will be as a small plastic patch here down. It's a waterproof. Actually, you can take shower with it until 14 days. You can swim even with this one, but be careful during swimming. You cannot go below the water 1 meter because this will damage also the adhesion of the sensor, and you cannot stay there more than 30 minutes in the water because this will also damage the adhesion of this sensor. During exercise, if someone is working heavy exercise, for example weightlifting or any other heavy exercise, so this can remove this sensor from the skin. This will loosen the sensor from the skin, and this will not give you the correct result. So be careful during the exercise. Even running, if your body is sweating too much, so the sweating will remove the adhesion of the sensor, and this will not give you the correct result. So you just take care of that one. More, this sometimes cause irritation for some people. This will appear here, the redness around the skin. If there is any allergic reaction or any inflammation, please consult with your physician. But for most population, it's safe and there is no any interaction reported from the customers.
Subscribe to The Pharmacist online.